Hey guys, welcome to another Mortgage Minute with Pat. I'm sure a lot of you heard about FHA really changing that monthly mortgage insurance premium that gets charged, but I wanted to show you actually what it means for your customers on paper. So instead of just hearing it, let's look at some actual data and some actual numbers. I've attached, it's actually two of these, and they should be below in an attachment. It's really important you pull those up. Let me tell you what they are. The first one is going to be an example of someone that is buying a house today, January of 15, compared to someone who did the same thing in January of 14 in using FHA financing. What's happened here is rates have come down, say 0.5%, and then that mortgage insurance was cut down by Housing and Urban Development. It's starting at the end of this month by another 0.5%. So you had a big reduction in payment in two areas there. What that translates out to, and you're going to see in this attachment, on a $500,000 home price example, it changes the buyer's monthly payment by $450 a month. So major savings there. What that translates out to in sales prices. So you buy the same house, your payment's going to be $450 less a month. That's sweet. Or what happens there from a qualifying perspective, or from a borrowing, or affordability perspective, however you want to say it, that same buyer this year compared to last year has just effectively been able to raise their sales price by 75, 85, maybe even $100,000 because of this haircut that we've gotten in rates and also in that mortgage insurance premium. Now, that being said, that's really good news for the real good news for the home buyers going into the spring here and looking for houses now that are planning to use FHA. It's a big deal for them, obviously. Now, for your guys and girls that bought a home last year, used FHA, I'd say in 13 and 14, but 14 especially, I attached a separate analysis of what they should be doing. Unless they're planning on, they don't like the house, or they need to move out of the area, and they're going to sell their house right away, they need to refinance that loan. So my second attachment is an example for an actual customer. I changed her name to mine that did this last year at the same price point. And what it looks like is she can, because of the new lower FHA mortgage insurance and because rates are a little bit lower, she can refinance her FHA loan that she got just last year, 12 months ago, and save $350 a month with, here's the key, zero closing costs. Okay, she could save a little bit more, but she's going to start to rack up some closing costs. So we really like the no closing cost program that we do. So this is another attachment that you can spread the word to on your clients from the last year or two. At a minimum, they need to have their mortgage reviewed by us, and we can take a look and see if we can save them some money without any fees. Okay, so all this bodes really well with this FHA cutting of the mortgage insurance premium for our real estate market this spring. Get in touch with us at the office for two things. One, questions and pre-approvals for people who are out, seeking homes now and want to get an updated look at what the payments are going to be now versus last year. And then also, if anyone borrowed this money last year, we really need to talk to them and really cut down what they're paying and without any costs. Talk to you soon.